Hi, fourth graders. We are beginning a new unit in writing, and we will be focusing on technical writing. So our objective today is that we will be able to identify examples of technical writing. Now, before we do that, I need a quick favor, my friends. I need you to get your writer's notebook. So go ahead and pause, and when you get your writer's notebook and a pencil, come on back. And I'll get started in 3, 2, 1. Now that you have your writer's notebook and a pencil, I need you to write down how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Simple as that. Write that down in your notebook. Pause this video as you do that. At the end, you will be adding a picture to Seesaw of your directions for how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So now's the time to pause the video and quick write those down for me. And then you're coming back in 3, 2, 1. Now that you have that done, at the end I'll have you put a picture on Seesaw. But for now we are going to play a quick game. And so we are going to decide which one of these things is not like the other. So we are going to look at these 4 samples of different types of writings. Now one of these things is not like the other, fourth graders, and that means that one of these examples is not technical writing. Now I want you to, in your head, look at these choices in A, B, C, or D, and if you were to pick, I want you to tell yourself, tell your animal, tell your grown-up, which one of these choices is not technical writing. Now, if you said B, you are correct. That Harry Potter is not technical writing. A recipe, directions, a map, those are examples of technical writing. So let's play again. Here's our next choices. Which one of these is not like the other? Take your guess in 3, 2, 1. If you said D, fairy tales are not technical writing. But a diagram on how to do things, making lists, those are examples of technical writing. Here's our last round of our game. One of these things is not like the other. Take your guess in 3, 2, 1. If you guess this biography of Anne Frank as our non-example, you are correct. Again, diagrams, when we list materials, when we see how to do things, those are examples of technical writing. So if I'm thinking about what those pictures had in common, I noticed a lot of step-by-step directions. How to braid, how to wash my hands, how to draw a cat. Those were examples of step-by-step instructions. I also noticed things made in lists. I didn't see a whole lot of complete sentences. I noticed lists and bullet points. So technical writing is writing that teaches the reader how to do something. This could include directions to play a game, how to make your favorite recipe, directions to a location, or how to make a craft. Those are examples of technical writing. When we talk about technical writing, it most often includes lists, equipment or materials that are needed, transition words. Fourth graders, this is a big part. We have to have things in order, first, next, then, etc. We need a title. And we need to have some graphics with drawings or pictures and shows how to do each step. And so today, your turn and your assignment on Seesaw, you are going to do the same thing we just did on Seesaw, and you are going to mark an X on what is not our technical writing. And so you will have slides 9 through 13. Sorry, I goofed on that. 9 through 13. To complete which is not like the other, which is the example that is not technical writing. Be sure you turn that in and you turn in your peanut butter and jelly. Great job today.